Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to show you how to fix camera problem on Lenovo PC. If we open our camera we can see such a interface. In this video we are going to show you how to fix this problem. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. Okay friends, first we go to our search bar on PC and search Lenovo Vintage. Like the video. It is easy one, you can do it in your home without going any mobile shop. Okay, then click on Lenovo Vintage. Okay, now you can see that a new interface is opened here. Now you can see that the camera option is off. Just click on the option, you can see that the camera is turned on. Like the video. It is a easy method to fix the camera problem. Now you can see that the camera is turned on here. Let's check if it is working. For this we can go to our camera option and open the camera. Like the video. Click on the camera option and open it. Now you can see that the camera is work very well. I think you love this video. Show some love on our like button and also subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.